This is how you use FlexRx One in long-term care. Let's look at accessing medication for patient dispensing and removing personal information once the package is done.
The idea is to push the medication through the blister and through the perforated part of the label, which is clearly marked with blue lines at the bottom of each medication compartment. Place the medication cup under the desired compartment and simply push through the blister and the label, and the medication should land in your medication cup.
Importantly, push the tap back into the empty cavity to ensure no exposed adhesive.
To remove patient's information, simply access the label from the back of the package and tear off the part of the label that has all the patient's information.
And that's it. FlexRx One is designed for your busy day and to keep your patients on track with their medications. Thanks for watching.